Hello everyone, welcome back to Precious Now YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about IELTS listening and also IELTS reading at a time. Now there is digitally we cannot give you all the information because you have to have your pen and paper or the screens before you to understand it very well. So I will be giving you the gist of the exam, the format and how you should answer it. Make sure that you are sticking on to the end of the video for more information about IELTS. Okay, now listening, you will be hearing 4 different recordings, and 4 different recordings can be from 4 different accents. It can be from British, American, Australian or any European. Okay, you can hear any of the recordings or you can hear whole of the 4 recordings on British accent. Okay, it can be either of the thing, just get used to it. So you will be having 4 different recordings with 40 questions. Remember, when you are hearing the recording, there will be a question paper before you and an answer sheet before you. Don't write the answers directly in the answer sheet. First, write your answers in the question paper itself. In the end, you will be given time to transfer all your answers from your question paper to your answer sheet. So don't at all hurry. There is no need to panic or there is no need to hurry in writing your answers. Write your answers in your question paper, then you can transfer it. The test takes place in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you will hear the 4 recordings. There is no break in between. You will have, as I've mentioned, you will have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet from the question paper. You will be hearing the audio only once. Even if you request them to play it once again, they will not play it for you. And there are no such facilities available in the examination center. Make sure you are hearing the audio properly. A variety of voices and native speakers' accents are used. Okay, so when you are practicing, make sure you are practicing all the accents. Okay, make sure you are hearing the native speakers from the all countries so that you will get used to the pronunciation of the words and you will not misunderstand any pronunciation in the exam. Okay, listen for the synopsis words. Synopsis words like however, although and finally, these are called synopsis words, and if you listen to this, you will know the continuation of your listening. I mean continuation of the text, whatever they are saying in the audio. They will help you to anticipate what the speaker is saying. As I've mentioned, it will help you what the speaker is going to say next, and you can connect that with the question which is mentioned in the question paper. Okay, so for your listening, the most important thing which you have to do is that you have to get accustomed to listening the accents of the native speakers from any part of the world. Okay, unless and until you will not be able to be confident in hearing and writing your answers. Sometimes you will be misheard or misunderstood any word, then your answers might be wrong, and then there will be no consideration of your of the answer. Also remember, there is no negative marking for any wrong answers. Once it is gone, it is gone. Okay. Reading. IELTS reading section, you will have for the general and the academic, it's almost the same, but the questions and the text which will be given, it will be a little different. So you will have 3 sections which consists of 40 marks. You will be given 60 minutes of time to do it. Okay, so each section contains one large text. Okay, and texts are authenticated, taken from books, journals, magazines or newspapers, and they are written for non-specialist and differences academic topics of general interest. Okay, so on the whole, reading will be taken in 4 sections. You will be given 4 different texts, and it will be an order of difficulty, which means the first text, the first paragraph or the first content will be easy for you, and the questions which will be given below, below the text, it will also be easy to answer them. And slowly the order of difficulty will increase. The text will become a bit lengthier. So please make sure that you are framing your time properly first. Okay, in reading and framing your answers. Again, You will be given an answer booklet to transfer all your answers from the question paper to your answer sheet. Don't panic, don't rush, frame your time properly and you can do it. I hope you have liked the video for today. This is all about listening and reading. If you have any doubts about the exam format, please make sure you comment down in the comment section below, and also share it with your friends, whoever is taking IELTS or who have no idea about IELTS, who want to know about IELTS. This video might be helpful for them. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. Happy learning everyone. Thank you.